ক্রপস যাব লাগিব number 4 ইয়াত কৈছে double cropping multiple cropping so these particular issues like double cropping multiple cropping related to doubling the income of the farmers and introduction is areas. First one is installation of solar power SCW, particularly in monocrop areas. Number 2 is areas of micro irrigation line, drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation. Concept is a concept which involves largely equipment and machinery to be introduced. So generally, when you're moving towards say so for summer planting there is only between them you will need irrigation crops. We can go for solar power SCW right now. That will be very interesting if you look at this slide. Cultivation of cocoa as intercropping with Aragonite. That means each and every farmer, if you look at in the villages, like they have Aragonite plantation at the back of their house. So in between you find lots of space there. So you can grow there cocoa plant. So this crop is going to be an extra income for you. Like you getting Aragonite, then also getting cocoa. Next, they are talking of taking Aragonite as support plant, black pepper and vanilla can be planted. This Aragonite plants, like they are tall in nature, so we can use some other crop there and we can go for any other cultivation, like you can climb up that tree. And also you can go for black pepper, like you can also climb up that tree and get doubling one. Here is that plant protection measures in well-established existing orchard. So plant protection is, I don't think this is new stuff for you, all of you. So whatever may be the case, like addition, we have to go for plant protection. Expected outcome: help to maintain existing plantation along with getting additional return from other processes. I told you, like that you get that income, like you do some other process, that will be recommended. Number 6, our issue is introduction of not practice in general in BTR. So here by this we mean that we must introduce crops that are not being grown in BTR region. That means so here it says what are those new crops? Cultivation of vanilla as a pilot project. Number 2, cultivation of avocado. So I just want to tell you one thing. See, why we introduce avocado? So avocado is one crop that really will give you the income of your life. This avocado, we practice first in Naguri. A farmer named his name is David Boro. Like he's practicing. He has around 30 plants. This avocado, earlier we thought that avocado improves in climate. But if you see, this avocado is in Bhopal, MP. MP has climate, they have very, the heat waves come out there. Temperature of Bhopal really goes up to 48 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. So avocado is that we use here. Next is turmeric. So turmeric, so we are talking about very specialized turmeric. It's not that normal, just we go for normal turmeric. This is one of the costliest in the world. A kilo of daily comes to 1,300 rupees. And if you want to see it, where that's going like. আপোনালোকে আমাৰ ওদালগুৰিত আহিব ওদালগুৰি আমাৰ এপিঅ আছে এগ্ৰ প্ৰডিউচাৰ ছ'চাইটি তাত আহিলে আপোনালোকে চাব ব্লেক টাৰ্মাৰিক তাত আপোনালোকে দেখা পাব 4 কেজি আপুনি এইটোতে আমাজনত যদি আপুনি চাই আমাজনত আপুনি তাত দেখিব 1400 rupees a kg আজি চাব আজি প্ৰাইচ চাব 1400 চলি আছে এই ব্লেক টাৰ্মাৰিক difference how to identify slightly of the trend like I'm explaining it. Itu normal turmeric or black turmeric is a difference केलेवा black turmeric और itu read to ase mane to major itu read ase ये report पूरा black इनके दाग है ase itu apni बोलो बोले black turmeric next हम कैसे there is mulberry plantation কৰিব লাগিব cinnamon plantation কৰিব লাগিব gram stick কৰিব লাগিব এটি খাইকে আছে ইয়াতে মই কথা ক'ব বিচাৰিছো gram stick আমাৰ mulberry কৰি আছে already farming in the gram stick not for the fruit fruit kind gram stick for gram stick কৰিছে only for the leaf gram stick for fruit के before down just the back market area right itu आपके value of your interest and you see it but it is great you can come up with that way you can see it second you come inside you already जानिए आपके गाने में काम होने partners like so agriculture education these days like organic cultivation so organic cultivation our issue so yeah আমি কি কাজ দেখার পরে I will crops like herbal rice yellow rice is better carotene levels in rice but again these rice are being manipulated genes out there and they are changing the rice quality are changing farmers to nutrient like they nutriently get rice increase food rice yeah intervention all the things like this demonstration today on the cluster basis and measures for release application reality. These are all like environmental procedures. In our official staff, we have no techniques of doing it right. Farmer market. Expected outcome is here. Availability of such product will be here to be assured apart from increasing farmers' income. Export-oriented production will be achieved. Soil cultivation. Our normal side of the SLA was OSCM or XVM. Technically already about the importance of soil cultivation. Soil cultivation is important in the sense, yeah, our technicians, yeah, only kind of feed on and important feed on ultimately soil in that like because soil is soil is the issue of say around near whereas there in the intervention is a tree cultivated in rainy season as well as seed rate and needed to be provided for early cultivation irrigation to be assured by providing solar power absolutely exceedingly December bounces technical discussion experts from how I exactly second is all the same nutritional security can be achieved adaptability and cultivation can be incorporated as a material for human being producing units. Number 9 is the area expansion of maize. Maize is another extremely important crop. So yeah, the benefits of the action is that cultivated in monocrop area or community basis distinct from problems of drainage. So in the first point, area because the area already very scale like you continue to get until our basis. Directly we can go for slightly expand perimeters our life. You continue to sabo.
Actually.